What if there is an easier way to make money than working your butt off day and night? What if the easiest way to make money was, in fact, through passive income? In this blog post, we will take a look at how easy it can be for you to achieve this end goal. We will examine the different opportunities available, such as affiliate marketing, and what you need in order to get started. Of course, passive income does require work, but it is definitely worth it. Let's get started. What is passive income? The main idea behind passive income is a simple one. It means receiving income without having to do any actual work. With active income, you have to put in time and effort to generate your earnings, and hence the term active comes into play. Passive income requires no such time investment from you, since you will not be physically doing any of the work required in order to generate your income. This kind of system has been around for a while now, with the first example of passive income being the ownership of land many years ago. Basically, passive income is the ownership of assets or resources that will generate you an income, even while you are asleep. This does not mean you can sit back and relax all day though. It does mean that you can earn money from something that will come online without any effort on your part. How can passive income help me? Passive income works in two main ways. It allows you to accumulate wealth, or it gives you the extra money to live whatever lifestyle you desire. Both options work out well, and there are many different ways for us to achieve this end result. Let's take a look at some of the basic examples. How to use passive income to accumulate wealth. Renting out an apartment. If you have an apartment or a house that is empty for most of the time, you can rent it out on services like Airbnb and similar companies. This allows you to generate extra income and expand your wealth at the same time. The best part is that you won't have to be physically present for this income stream to work. It will be activated automatically. Since people will need accommodation when they visit your city, by renting out your house, you can make money without any effort from your side. Since the apartment will be accessible to many people, you can increase your revenue even further by charging higher prices for it. Executive coaching. This kind of work involves using your expertise and experience to help someone else grow in his or her job. This kind of coaching is usually done face-to-face and requires a lot of energy and time investment from you, but if you have the time, it can be a great opportunity. By holding executive coaching sessions, you could earn up to $35,000 per year. This money can then be invested or used as a passive income stream for yourself. Direct money transfer. This is a more complicated way of making passive income, since it requires you to have a large clientele. With this method, you can charge your customers a fixed amount for every month and then transfer the money for them automatically. The amount that you will make from this system depends on how many clients you have, but it can be an excellent source of income if you manage to get things going. How to use passive income to live whatever lifestyle I desire. Creating ebooks. One of the easiest ways to start making passive income for yourself is by creating ebooks that people would be interested in buying online. You can write on a variety of different subjects, from cooking to sports to writing and more. By creating ebooks in these disciplines, you can make passive income for yourself with ease. For example, if you wrote an ebook on cooking, you could sell it online and people would be interested if you used a special recipe or contained tips unknown by the general public. To earn passive income from your ebook, you would need to have created it in the first place though. Installing mobile applications. This method is similar to the one above, but instead of writing an ebook, you will need to create and install a mobile application for people to use freely. You can make a simple one like a calculator, or you can create one that is much more complex, like a mobile banking application that allows people to access their bank accounts from anywhere in the world. The revenue for your mobile applications will depend on how many people you manage to reach initially, but it can be an excellent way of making passive income. After all, once the application is out there, it will keep making money for whoever installed it. Making DVDs. This kind of passive income is rather simple and requires little in terms of effort on your part. What you need to do in order to achieve this income stream is to make DVDs about something that other people would buy. For example, you could make DVDs about famous personalities of all types from different countries and charge your viewers money for this. Your popularity would determine how much money you would make from each DVD, but this is a simple way for you to create passive income. All of these passive income streams require that you study the market and know how to get people to purchase your products or services. This is something that not many people do today if I am not wrong, but it can be a great way to generate extra income that will allow you to retire early or live a luxurious life. Building passive income streams are one of the best ways for you to increase your financial freedom and start living a luxurious life. You will no longer have to worry about money all the time, and you will be free to enjoy your life without having to be constantly worried about it. Just like with any other business, it is important that you take into consideration all the possible passive income streams before getting started with them. This is why it is even better to consult with a professional who can analyze your financial situation and guide you on how to go about setting up all these passive income streams. The internet allows you to access thousands of possible passive income streams which could make you rich in the near future. You really need to create a plan for yourself first, though, and decide how you want to live in the future. All of these are viable options that can benefit you greatly in the future. How to make passive income. Blogging. How do I make passive income by blogging? The answer is simple: it is not as hard as most people think it is. There are many different blog platforms available today, such as WordPress and Tumblr, but the most popular one at this time seems to be Blogger. The reasons for this are simple: it is easy to set up, and it is a place where millions of people want to find information. For this reason, it is the best option for people who are looking to make passive income through blogging. How do you make passive income on Blogger? It is actually very easy, and that is why many people will do so in the future as well. You simply need to follow these simple steps below. Write quality content that your readers will love. Promote your blog on different social media sites. Building links back to your blog from other websites. Utilize AdSense or other ad networks in order to generate revenue from your blog. Create and maintain a blog that your readers will love and come back to time after time. There are so many different ways of making passive income on Blogger, but if you want to start earning some passive income today, I recommend you to go through this blog post that could help you in that. How to make passive income from blogging. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can be very profitable in the long run if you know what you are doing. There is no need for a complicated set of instructions, as it is very easily done online. All you have to do is put in the work and learn how it works. Companies such as Amazon and eBay create affiliate accounts for bloggers to share the products that they mention in their blogs. This means that if someone clicks on the product, then the blogger will receive a commission. Affiliate marketing is an excellent way of making money with blogging. Not only can you promote products, but you can also show off the reviews that you have on these products. If you are new to affiliate marketing and want to know how it works, then go to this post. How affiliate marketing works. After the blogger has created a blog on Blogger that contains affiliate links for various products, they simply need to become an affiliate for the product. This is done by going into the settings of their blog and clicking on Add an Affiliate, called a FF or sponsor code, at the bottom. This will give you a unique affiliate code that you can put on your website. Affiliate marketers automate the process by creating blog posts that contain links to the Amazon product. This helps them track which products are generating sales and how much compensation they are receiving from these sales. The Amazon Associates Program, also known as the Associate Marketing Program, is one of the most popular affiliate marketing programs today, due to its low commission for product sales compared to other programs, and because this program allows product bloggers to become part of the Amazon ecosystem. This program allows others to promote products on their blogs as long as they have an associate's account at Amazon and also have signed a contract with them. This means that Amazon will compensate the blogger for every sale made using their affiliate code. The commission for each sale depends on the product and is based on a percentage of the purchase price, which can range between 5% and 15%. The more popular the product, the higher is the commission that they receive. Many affiliate marketers get into this program so that they can create reviews for products without actually needing to buy them themselves, as long as they are promoting a specific product. This means that if you want to start making passive income from blogging, you should look into going down this route first in order to generate extra income. A lot of bloggers get into this program by simply using Amazon affiliate links to advertise different products in their blogs. However, if you want to earn a significant amount of passive income through blogging, then you need to promote specific products from Amazon, because this could mean you could earn more money than the affiliate marketing program alone. In the long run, affiliate marketing is an excellent way for bloggers to make some extra money with little effort. There are links and other promotional methods that will help you generate passive income as well as build a loyal following of readers who want to see more content from your blog.